Good evening, Prakash sir. Good evening, Rajnandani.
Mr. Prakash, you repeated your shirt.
Means, is he supposed not to repeat the shirt? Is he?
No, sir.
Why so? Is he prime?
Sir, he
Is
should.
he the first prime minister of India, Pandit Nehru, who never repeated his
No,
clothes?
no, sir. Sir, he wears very expensive suits. That
Yes.
Now it becomes my school dress. Every day
yeah.
I have to I have to sit in black and white. The thing is,
Advocates' world is only black and white. No color in their life. Colorless.
Rajesh sir is not going to join today.
Why, sir?
I think he's got some work, some urgent work.
I will miss him, sir.
no, Mr. Veer,
It's been recorded, Mrs. Veer.
but I thought, sir,
Yes, yes, sir.
Rajesh sir revealed a truth yesterday. So I think he's not going there today.
I didn't understand.
My God,
sir.
what he yesterday Rajesh sir said I never tell truth to my wife, and today
Okay.
Prakash sir is saying
So he's not in a position to attend today's class.
and now these things are being recorded. Prakash sir, he will listen to it.
And one more thing, sir.
Yes, sir.
In a recording,
Yeah.
our voice is not even Mrs. Veer voice is not.
There was a little technical problem because of that, sir. From today, your voice will be clearly audible also.
Okay.
In yesterday's video, only my voice was audible because there was a little technical problem that has been sorted out. Now from today in the video, everybody's voice will be clearly audible.
It will be good.
Sir, will you edit the video before uploading, sir?
Sorry?
Your fault.
No,
Will you
no,
edit-
no.
No.
No, ma'am, I don't have any time to edit the video. I can't take this responsibility. I'm sorry for that.
So, but we talk like so nonsense. Like, I will miss Mr. Rajesh like that. So, how will student react? So,
No, nothing. Don't worry. So, people are not that much narrow minded. They understand because this is a speaking class and people speak a lot of things. It doesn't mean so seriously. So, don't bother about that. And those who
If
are so
Rajesh-
narrow minded are warned not to come close.
Okay. Sir, when Mr. Rajesh's wife listen that video? Listen to that.
Now your worry and concern is genuine, ma'am.
Then he will never be in a position to attend your class.
He'll never be in a position to attend the class. All of you people are too dangerous.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Gunjan.
Rajesh is in very dangerous situation.
Yes, sir.
Rajesh is in very dangerous situation right now.
Yeah, he is in a precarious position. He is between the devil and the deep sea.
I will pray for him, sir.
You are the one to send him in the trouble, put him into the trouble. Uh, हेलो सनाया, तुम आया?
तुम आया और नहीं बताया.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so are we people ready to do the lesson for today? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which question number is supposed to be done?
Question number 7.
6B.
Where is that?
Yes, sir.
6B.
Yes, sir.
6B.
Yes. So I hope you people have written 6 sentences about your free time activities, right?
Yes, sir.
Using the
No,
frequency
I-
adverbs and expressions from question number 5A and question number 5C, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, so
So I want you to speak those sentences here. Can you one by one?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I wrote, but I didn't write the free time activities. I write sentences using these frequency adverbs.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Don't worry. But I want
Okay, sir.
you all to speak those sentences here in the meeting itself. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Who will start?
I, sir.
Obviously. Okay. Okay, ma'am. It's your turn to talk about your
Yes.
free time activities.
I never met Sony sir personally.
Okay.
I I usually try to be honest and loyal to others.
Uh-huh.
I always try my best to prove myself right. I hardly ever come late in class.
Mm-hmm.
I always I sometimes did cheating in the examination, and
Very good.
I I visit my parents' home thrice a year.
Great. Means every 4
That's
months.
yeah, sir.
You visit your parents' home every 4 months, right?
Yes, sir.
Or once in a 4 months.
Yes, once in a 4 months. Yes.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Tejaswa.
Sir,
Tejaswa,
yes,
your
sir.
turn. Your turn.
Sir, I have a question.
Please. To whom?
Sir, sir, to you, sir.
Okay, okay, Tejaswa, you can please.
In the PDF question was that 6 sentence about your free time, but ma'am had said not
Ma'am,
the
first of
questions.
all, in the beginning, she told that she has made sentences, but not about her free time activities. I think you didn't pay attention. Okay, now, are you going to talk about your free time activities, Tejaswa?
Yes,
Please,
yes,
please,
sir.
please.
I always watch video while eating.
Mm-hmm.
I never watch a sport channel.
Mm-hmm.
Third sentence is I always go cycling.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth sentence, I hardly ever go to theater.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth sentence, I usually take a cat nap during my free time.
Okay.
Sixth sentence, I sometimes go somewhere with my friend and spend some time in chatting, playing Ludo.
Very good. But you don't have to count the sentences like that, fifth sentence, sixth sentence. Without counting, you can say also, okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
it is not limited that you can say only 6, you can say more if you have, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, it is done, Tejaswa, from your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Prakash sir, it's your turn.
I hardly ever drink vodka.
Mm-hmm.
I never perform dance.
Okay,
I sometimes do gardening.
okay,
I always read law journals.
okay.
I occasionally watch a horror movie.
Uh-huh.
I usually sit in my residential office.
Very nice, very nice. All the sentences are correct, sir, today. We must clap for Prakash sir. Everybody,
Yes, sir.
every sentence was correct.
Yes, sir. But I caught him, sir.
Yeah, where?
So he said na he never do dance.
Yeah,
But he
never
always,
dances.
yeah, but he always dancer on his wife's finger.
This this is your presumption. I never do it.
He dances to his wife's tune. He dances, it's just a sentence, sir. I'm not telling the fact, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's a sentence. He dances to somebody's tunes. Okay? Janjan, your turn. No, Gunjan, your turn.
Yes, sir.
I have more sentences, sir.
Yes, please,
It's,
sir. Please, sir. Go on. Please, sir. Go on.
I watch Hindi drama once every 3 months.
Okay.
I take twice a day.
Mm-hmm.
I run 3 kilometers thrice in a week.
Mm-hmm.
I go to restaurant with my family
Mm.
every Saturday.
Nice.
I go to holiday with my family
Mm-hmm.
twice in a year.
Mm-hmm.
I get my hair cut couple of a week,
Mm-hmm.
every couple of a week.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Is it right sentences?
Yeah. All the sentences were correct, Prakash sir.
Yes, sir. Might.
Now it is Janjan's turn. No, Gunjan's turn.
So, name, if you make mistake in name, then some other will come.
And after Janjan, milkshake will say. No, Abhishek will say. Hello.
Yes, sir. Start.
Yeah, please, Gunjan.
I hardly ever eat meat once or twice a year.
Okay.
I don't get angry very often.
Mm-hmm.
I always eat non-veg 3 times a week.
My God, non-veg 3 times a week.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But she's also using always.
And but you should not use always. You should use only 3 times a week, na? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I always go jogging once a day.
अच्छा, always भी और once a day भी. कैसे?
Wrong?
I go jogging once a day, ना?
Once a day. Yes, sir. My younger brother never watch Bollywood movies,
Never
but he
watches.
always watch a Hollywood movie.
Watches.
Watches. I sometimes play badminton.
Mm-hmm.
I hardly ever go out with friend.
Mm-hmm.
Once in a month.
Mm-hmm.
I never go to club.
Mm-hmm. You should keep your mic close to your mouth.
Yes. I never go to club.
Mm-hmm.
I usually do warm up.
Mm. Your voice is waving.
Sir, actually, I have internet problem, sir, today from
Okay,
morning.
okay. Carry on, please. Carry on.
My mother sometimes eat fast food.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Milkshake. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
It's your turn to talk about your free time activities. And in your sentences, you should try to use frequency adverbs and frequency adverb expressions from the question number 5th A and 5th C. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please.
I always play cricket in my free time.
Okay, good.
I hardly ever do a household activity in my free time.
Very good.
I visit my uncle's house twice a week.
Mm-hmm.
I never go to. I never go to pub.
Okay.
Finish.
Done. Do you want to say something more, Abhishek?
No, sir.
Okay. Rajdhani. No, sorry, Rajnandani. Those who always keep silent will be named like that. Rajnandani.
But the Rajdhani Express is fastest, so
Your voice is not audible, Rajnandani.
I often watch it.
Please. I think she is eating something,
I
right? Right, na,
no
Rajna?
sir. No sir.
Okay, please start and start.
I often watering plants at the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
I always go shopping with my mother and my sisters.
Mm-hmm.
I sometimes play carom on Sunday evening.
Mm-hmm.
I sometimes watch horror shows.
Mm-hmm.
I go cycling every Sunday evening.
Okay.
I never eat non-veg.
Mm-hmm.
I hardly absent in my classes.
I hardly go absent. Go absent. Absent ho jana. Okay. So you are a vegetarian, Rajnandani?
Yes. Yes.
Complete vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
You are missing a great pleasure of life, Rajnandani.
oh,
Azan is going to be called. Azan is going to be called. And now the Azan is over. We are back. Yes, Rajnandini. So you were saying that you are complete vegetarian.
Yes.
Hmm. So, yes, don't you feel bored eating the same thing every day?
No, sir.
Same question goes to you, sir.
I have a lot of varieties in non-veg, Mrs. Veer.
But there is also lots of variety in vegetarian food, sir.
What variety? Same paneer or same soya?
Only paneer, mushroom.
Yes, paneer and mushroom.
And in non-veg, I don't want to say, sir.
No, no,
Please.
there are varieties. There are varieties.
I,
Do you want to know, Mrs. Veer?
No, 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 no.
सनाया,
Yes, sir.
तुम होमवर्क करके आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then start talking about your free time activities, my dear.
I usually listen music.
Listen.
I hardly
Mhm.
I hardly ever go to market.
Mhm.
I never go to airport.
Mhm.
My mother cooks sometimes a special food.
Mhm.
My father comes every Saturday.
Mhm.
I have a haircut twice a year.
Mhm.
I go my home once a month.
Okay, correct. Correct. I want everybody to note down a homework for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
You will have to record your voice saying the names of the day and the names of the month with the correct word stress and send it to me on Telegram.
Okay, sir.
Days of week and months, sir.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
The names of the days and the names of the months. You will have to speak, not write. You will have to speak with the correct stress, word stress, and record it in your mobile and send it to me on
Okay,
Telegram. On Telegram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is going to be a fun homework, a fun activity for you people.
Yes, sir. Function.
Okay. Who else is left to talk about their free activities, free time activities? No one.
No, sir.
No one. Okay. Moving to question number 7. I hope you must have listened to the recording 1.8.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, have you done the things? Have you listened and filled in the form?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, you'll have to tell me about Louis. How often does Louis do sport?
3 times a week.
A week.
3 times a week, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
How often does he go to the theater?
Once
Hardly
a
ever once a year.
Once a year, sir.
Once in a year.
Once in a year. And how often does she do some gardening?
no.
She never does, sir.
Never.
We never.
She never
She
does
never
any
does.
gardening. Okay. And how often? One more book will be added in the course. One more book will be added in the course. Are you people ready to take the responsibilities for writing?
Yes,
For writing section. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to do that. Okay. I don't promise, but I will try to do that to add one more book for writing English. Okay. For writing letter, for writing paragraphs, for writing all these things. Going for writing stories, biographies, and autobiographies. It will be a fun activity.
Yes.
Okay. How often does she go on holiday?
Once in a year, sir.
Twice a year.
Sorry, once a year.
Twice a
Once
year.
in a year, sir.
Twice a
Twice a
year.
year.
And how often does she watch TV?
1 hour daily, sir.
Every day, 1 hour.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
An hour a day. An hour a day. An hour a day. An hour a day.
An hour a day.
And
Okay.
An hour a day.
Okay. So, did you compare Louise's answer with the newspaper article?
Yes, sir.
What did you find? Is she a typical British person?
No, she's not typical British person.
Why not, sir?
No, sir.
Why not, sir?
Because
There are 5 questions here,
Mhm.
and I compared all the 5 questions,
Mhm.
with the Louis interview.
Okay.
First, Louis hardly ever go to pub,
Mhm.
whereas British used to go, oftenly used to go, oftenly go
They
to
oftenly
pub.
go to the pub, not use. They oftenly go to the pub.
oftenly
They often go to the pub. They often go to the pub. Okay, very good. And C hardly ever goes to the pub. Okay.
Sorry, they often go to the pub.
And what is the second difference?
Second difference is Louis goes swimming thrice in a week.
Mhm.
However, British go swimming every week.
Mhm.
Once in every week.
Mhm.
And other second thing,
Third is gardening, so
Third is gardening. She never do gardening, but British do gardening every
every weekend.
Every weekend they do. The British do gardening every weekend, but Louis never does gardening, right?
Yes,
And because of
Right,
these
sir.
differences, we can clearly say that Louis is not a typical British person, right?
Something more, sir. TV, sir. Britisher watch TV 4 hours every day.
Yes.
But she watches an hour.
Only
a
an
day,
hour,
sir.
only an hour. Much less than the British
an hour.
people do,
Even
right?
Louis
Much less than
Yes.
the British people do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have to
And then-
learn about sentence stress that I'm not gonna teach you today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and that's why I've given you the homework to record the names of by speaking the names of the days and the names of the months with the correct word stress.
Okay, sir.
And after that, means after having a discussion about these things tomorrow in the class, we will learn sentence stress. Okay, and to
Okay, sir.
okay, one more homework. You will have to try to listen to recording 1.8 once again by paying attention the fluctuation of voice in the sentence in recording 1.8. Okay, that fluctuation will be important if you could notice for learning sentence stress.
Okay, sir.
1.8 means yesterday Louis conversation.
Sorry, sir.
1.8 is the conversation.
Yes,
of
sir.
Louis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Louis conversation. You'll have to listen to it. Okay, at home, and try and notice the sentence stress. Sentence stress means at some places some more stress, some more accentuation will be has been given on in the sentence. You'll have to just try and notice that only. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you about the sentence stress. And for your kind information, I must tell you that at 6:15 in the evening, I have another class in the same batch.
6 when, sir? At what
6:15.
time?
6:15. Quarter past 6.
In the evening?
Not for you people. Not for you people. For some new learner.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. In the same batch.
In the same batch. Okay.
Okay.
In the same batch on the app.
Okay, sir.
It will be a live class with him. I think he is some relative to Prakash sir.
Oh, yes, yes. Today,
How many students are there, sir?
At the moment only one.
Okay.
I will call him, sir.
He can join ours class, sir.
But he is not that much what should I say, capable of speaking. That's why first of all he needs help for some time, okay, for a month at least. Then I will let him join your batch.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise he will be nervous.
Yeah, sir. How old he is, sir?
He is an engineer.
Okay.
He is a young guy. He is Prakash sir's nephew.
Actually, this is the problem of the Bihari students, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Even most of the engineers doesn't want to speak English. Knowing is another thing, but doesn't want to speak English.
They don't want to speak English because they are not comfortable in speaking, sir. That's why.
But in Punjab, sir, engineers are so fluent, sir.
In English.
Very English. Yes, sir.
Are they engineers of the language?
Maybe, sir. Because they learn from English medium school, so that's why.
Yes, and
Either they don't know about their
the point
practical
is that,
prac-
ma'am, the point is that, ma'am, in Bihar up to 10th matriculation board, English is not compulsory. So the students never pay even a wee bit attention to English. Okay, and what do they do in 11th and 12th? They just take the guest questions from the teachers for the exam, and they mug up those questions and appear at the exam and pass the exam. So 12 years continuously they don't study English, and that's why their mind is also inactive, their brain is also inactive in this language, completely inactive.
And sir, these 12 years are very
Important, of course, to making your brain active in any field or for any subject.
Especially English, sir.
So that's why the teachers of English, the teachers like me who really want to teach the learners quality things, struggle hard in Bihar. Not for money,
Yes, sir.
not for money, but for quality
for
students,
students.
quality
Quality,
students,
yes.
dedicated students. So I think we should wrap it up for today, and tomorrow we will meet at the same time with some new things to learn.
So
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow, sir, maybe I will not join because there is
The class will be recorded as it is being recorded today. So don't worry.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, and the link will be shared in the Telegram group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So should we wrap it up now for today, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes.
Thank you for making
Thank
this
you,
class
sir.
so much fun. All of you did
Yeah.
very well today. Very nice. Thank you very much. Good night,
Good night,
everybody,
all, sir.
and take good care of yourself, please.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah.
Yes, Mrs. V.
Rajnandani.
Okay, Rajnandani. Touch the middle button, dear. Touch the middle red button, looking like phone button.
Sir,
Yes.
मुझे
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आप कॉल पे बात कर सकती हैं हमसे. You can talk to me on call. Your voice is breaking, my dear.
okay.